Welcome to my newest listing at 427 Marengo Trail in Westfield, Indiana. Located in Richter's Corner at Countryside, this 4-bed, 3.5-bath home has a 3-car garage, in-ground pool, new roof, and more. With a formal dining room, 2-story ceilings, and over 3,000 square feet of living space, it's an entertainer's dream. The primary suite is on the main floor and has a dual vanity, large garden tub, walk-in shower, and large walk-in closet. Enjoy stainless steel appliances and a view of the pool from the kitchen, additional dining area, and sunroom. There is a laundry room and half bath on the first floor as well. Head upstairs to the 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and new carpeting. Enjoy the privacy of your own pool, hot tub, and fenced yard, or check out the 2 community pools, pet-friendly walking trails, playground, and basketball courts. Oak Trace Elementary is within walking distance, and Urban Vines Winery is minutes away. Listed at $485,000, contact me for info or a showing.